Okay fellas, today we have Makita angle grinder 9558HN, and we will check what's wrong with it. We'll open it and we can see that the push button is missing here. Okay, I will remove the carbon brushes. Now taking out the gear housing. And the ball bearing is good, and the armature looks like it was burning or something. And the gears look worn. Okay, I think I need to try to run the motor. I will just clean the commutator a little bit. Okay. Okay, we can see that the grease here is the overheated or dirt. Of course, we have broken pin here. Clean it a little bit to check if the housing is broken or not. And we can see that the hole here is not all around, it's a little bit like an egg. That's a bad sign for us, because sometimes it's a reason why the pin fails. And we can see the same, I hope you can see it. You can see the same here, it's damaged. And so the best way is to change the housing. Now you can see for the gears, I can feel small wobble on it, and you can see the bumps on a gear. That can be that the tool is working very loudly or hitting the armature and armature is sparking. So we need a new housing, new gears, the pin, and clean the tool. And okay, I have made small talk with a customer about this grinder, and him told that we changed the brushes, but the motor is still sparking. So I think I will take the armature again and try to clean carbon brush holders, because it was strange for me how the brushes are, the one of the brushes are going into the into the holder. And okay, for the cleaning, normally I'm using the simple file and just cleaning the dirt from the brush holder. Okay, and I will check the inside. The inside looks good, so I will provide a simple thing. I will just assemble the grinder and try to run it. It's nothing more has left for me. And if now we can hear the click sound when the spring is getting the brush. Of course, I don't really like the brushes and I want to change them with the new ones, but now it's a Saturday and I don't have them, so I need to test the grinder with the old brushes. Fixation for the cutting disc is not a problem for him, so okay, I will leave it like that. Okay, now as the carbon brushes are in a place, I want to test the grinder. And turning it on. And you can see that we don't have any spark on the motor, so I will put the so now I will turn the grinder back on again. And as we can see, the grinder works good, so I'm closing the back over of it. Okay. Yep, so it worked good. Our job is done, and normally I think what was the problem? The problem was that one of the carbon brush was not going to the all brush holder because of dirt or something similar, and as I have just moved it and put at the back brush, I have feel some struggle. I have moved it in the back and forward, and it just clean it. Of course, I have cleaned it with a pile after that, and I think it will work again.